In this video, we will show the best coffee grinders in India 2020. At number 1, Anfim electric coffee grinder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, SToK coffee and spice grinder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Koryo KCG151SG coffee grinder with stainless steel container. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Ninja coffee and spice stainless steel grinder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, HARIO hand grinder MSCS 2B coffee mill. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 6, Usha coffee grinder and dry spice masala. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 7, LWVAX manual coffee hand grinder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.